How do you help your team to manage sales anxiety? The sale is a demanding profession involving a lot of moving parts and touch points between salespersons and customers. Various scenarios within sales may result in anxiety with the social and tricky communication demands of the profession. It is common for anxiety to disrupt the workflow of salespeople, and that can affect your team's ability to retain customers and meet their needs. As sales, your manager should understand what's the reason for your team to struggle is and how they can overcome this anxiety. Among reaching out, making a presentation, communicating with the customers effectively and trying to push them toward a purchase decision, there is an excellent art in marketing that can even overcome skilled professionals. Here are some tips to help your team overcome their anxiety obstacles. Number 1. Change their mindset on rejection. One of the best ways to help the group conquer their rejection anxiety is by changing their mindset. Encourage them not to think of it as a disappointment, but consider that the services of your company may not have been the right fit for the requirements of the prospect. Salespersons should never take rejections personally. Instead, they should adjust their view of these situations to make it easier to deal with. It helps them to maintain confidence and productivity. Number 2. Having a clear script. Having a script to read off for every point of contact to all your potential clients is a great way to help your team feel comfortable and protected. In tough situations in which you are dealing with a difficult customer, they can refer back to the script to help them navigate the pathway of communication. Number 3. Recommend small and achievable goals. Encourage the team to focus on small, achievable goals. Sometimes it is common for salespeople to get frustrated with a huge quota requirement and many tasks ahead of them. Your team will be able to measure small victories and boost their confidence by setting small goals for each day. Number 4. Limit the time for the dreaded task. The best way to deal with the dreaded activities is to arrange a specific period to tackle them. If your sales team is nervous about scheduling and prospecting, suggest them to set aside a certain amount of time every day to get everything done. By doing so, you can reduce the stress and anxiety created while meeting the requirements of your prospects. Before we go to number 5, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by rtrsupportslimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in one day. Please visit rtrsupportslimited.com for more information. Number 5. Enable research before reaching out. Encourage the team to obtain as much information as possible to meet leads and targets before picking up the phone. This can also make it easier for them to compose emails. Thanks for watching. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comment section below. We'll answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.